There are many products available to choose from Pasta Press, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best pasta press from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Marcato Pasta Press. If you have to carry a pasta maker around, then opt for something lightweight. Weighing only 5.4 pounds, the Marcato Pasta Press is a portable device that you can move effortlessly. It is constructed with chrome-plated steel, ensuring durability and strength during use. In addition, this pasta press comes with an instruction manual that helps you understand how to use it. Even better, it can roll sheets of different widths, providing versatility in the way you make pasta. The blades are made from stainless steel, providing maximum endurance and durability for long-lasting use. And, for added convenience, this machine can easily be cleaned with a cloth and doesn't require a complex cleaning process. Number 2. Isolar Pasta Press. The Isolar Pasta Press is a smooth roller, giving your pasta the perfect consistency and texture in every bite. It is constructed with a regulating knob and 9 shape settings, allowing you to shape your pasta with ease. Moreover, it can cut sheets at 2 different widths, so you can easily create the desired quantity. This pasta press is made from sturdy top-quality aluminum alloy, promoting durability and longevity. The material it's made of is also food-grade, ensuring no harmful impact on your health. Lastly, it has a detachable structure, helping you clean and scrape off any excess pasta dough effortlessly. Food-grade material and sturdy design. Its pasta rollers and pasta cutter are made of high-quality and non-toxic aluminum alloy, thus guaranteeing its safety and durability. Innovatively designed with a sturdy table clamp, it will not move around when in use. Easy to clean. With the new redesigned cutter, the unit can now be dismantled to reach the cutting rollers. This allows for thorough cleaning. Number 3. Silnovo Pasta Press. The Silnovo Pasta Press comes with a variety of adjustable settings to make a variety of pasta at home. With one model featuring 7 settings and another with 9, this press boasts a design that allows you to pass pasta dough of a certain width to create the ideal shape. In addition, it's quite lightweight at only 7 pounds, enabling you to carry it from one place to another effortlessly. Best of all, this pasta press is assembled with stainless steel, providing durable and long-lasting use. Pros. Available in silver or red models. Both models feature different numbers of settings. Stable and sturdy construction. Lightweight and portable. Cons. Not dishwasher safe. Manual pasta maker is very suitable as a gift for friends. Making fresh pasta is a very rewarding activity. Both the elderly and children can easily use it. It is purely manual, clean and hygienic. The Silnovo pasta machine is definitely an essential kitchen tool or a perfect gift for your friend who likes to eat pasta. Customer service and quality guarantee. Silnovo pasta maker is supplied with an English manual. We recommend you read the instructions before making the pasta. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Number 4. Nuvanti Pasta Press. The Nuvanti Pasta Press is a top-tier product that lets you enjoy home-cooked pasta without spending much money. It is designed to deliver quality, helping you improve your cooking skills and save time in the kitchen. This gadget has a sleek build that you can place in any kitchen corner without looking awkward, and incorporates 7 options for thickness, letting you make various pasta recipes without changing machines. This pick features attachments like a pasta cutter, enabling you to complete the pasta pressing process without inconvenience. Lastly, it has carbon steel blades and an alloy steel construction, ensuring durability and longevity. Overall, it is our top pick because of its different modes and stylish, high-quality body. Pros. Quick, simple setup. Stylish, durable metal construction. Features 7 different thickness modes. Cons. Adding dough requires precision. Cutting tools. Our pasta cutter machines are kitchen essentials. Use the pasta cutter attachments to create your pasta of choice, and enjoy easy cleaning with a separate structure and washable cutter. Gift. If you're looking for a memorable kitchen stuffer to give someone, this fun and unique manual pasta maker is a great gift they'll actually use. Number 5. Paracity Pasta Maker. Humanized design. Our pasta machine is made of food-grade stainless steel material, which guarantees its safety and durability. The pasta maker has humanized design, equipped with a high-quality stainless steel panel and a sturdy table clamp. It will not move around when in use. 8 adjustable thickness settings. The pasta roller has a knob specially used to adjust the thickness of the dough, which can press out 8 different thicknesses of dough. The thickness of the noodle can reach 6 mm. By adjusting the knob, you can also get a thin noodle sheet of only 1 mm. This offers more possibilities for your culinary arts. 3 different width settings suit pasta. The unique cutter of this pasta maker machine can cut noodles in 3 different widths of 2.5 mm, 4 mm, and 6 mm, perfect for making spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, dumpling wrappers, and more. Our pasta roller caters to all your pasta making needs. Easy to clean. Since our noodle maker has a detached structure, the pasta machine is easy to clean and store. High-quality stainless steel material makes this pasta roller not easy to rust. The bottom of the noodle maker is equipped with a non-slip pad, which is not easy to slip during use, making the use of the product safer. Customer service and quality guarantee. Pasta maker is supplied with an English manual. We recommend you read the instructions before making the pasta. If you have any questions, please contact us through Amazon and we will be happy to answer your questions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.